ba? Kainis, nagwawagi yung pangit, nagwawagi yung masama, yung mali, yung hindi totoo, di ba? Nagwawagi sila, nakakainis yung thought nun, minsan hindi ko taga kinakain. Sa mapapamura ka, ba't nagwawagi ito? Mali. Ba't nagwagi siya kasi over dun sa tama? Di ba? Kaya all the time, bukod kay God, you just have to support each other.
I think I got all this pain from negative thoughts, negative emotion, from all the hurt, from all the bashing I got from the 2022 vice presidential campaign. I got so many bashing. I just ran for vice president. What did I do wrong? I did not do anything wrong. I love every one of you. Filipinos should be more caring, more honest. That's why we have all these hardships. Filipinos love and cherish each other. Look, the Philippines is so rich. But our countrymen are very poor. They do not have health care. They are just dying there from the corruption of politicians. You politicians, you bribe the people. You give them money to vote for you. You keep them stupid. You want them stupid. Pa may kasabihan tayo, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo is the Filipino worth dying for.